All right, folks, gather round, let's talk logistics. You know, that thing that makes sure you get your online orders on time and your favorite snacks magically appear on supermarket shelves. It's the backbone of the global economy, even if it doesn't always get the credit it deserves. Think of logistics as the ultimate stage manager. It ensures the right products are in the right place, at the right time, and in the right condition. Without it, businesses would be in utter chaos. Imagine ordering a new phone online, only to receive a bag of potatoes instead. Not ideal, right? Logistics is the unsung hero that keeps everything running smoothly. It's about efficiency, planning, and execution. It's about getting things done and getting them done right. So, whether you're a seasoned business professional or just curious about how things work, understanding logistics is crucial. It's time to shine a light on this vital field and explore the ins and outs of logistics management. From the warehouse floor to your doorstep, we'll delve into the fascinating world that keeps the world moving. Fasten your seatbelts, folks, it's going to be a wild ride. Now let's get down to brass tacks. What exactly does logistics entail? In a nutshell, it's all about managing the flow of goods, information, and resources. Think of it as the intricate dance of getting things from point A to point B, seamlessly and efficiently. Logistics encompasses a wide range of activities including transportation, moving goods by land, sea, or air. Think massive cargo ships, speedy freight trains, and those iconic delivery trucks. Warehousing, storing goods safely and securely until they're needed. Imagine giant warehouses stacked high with everything from clothes to electronics. Inventory management, keeping track of stock levels and ensuring there's enough to meet demand, but not so much that it goes to waste. Order fulfillment, picking, packing, and shipping orders accurately and on time. It's like a well-choreographed ballet of boxes and labels. These are just a few of the key components that make up the complex world of logistics. It's a well-oiled machine, requiring careful planning, coordination, and constant optimization. And trust me, it's no easy feat. Now you might be thinking, hold on, isn't this all part of supply chain management? And you wouldn't be wrong. Logistics and supply chain management are closely intertwined, but they're not exactly the same thing. Think of it this way, supply chain management is the bigger picture. It encompasses the entire network of organizations, people, activities, information, and resources involved in moving a product or service from supplier to customer. Logistics, on the other hand, is a subset of supply chain management. It focuses specifically on the movement and storage of goods within that network. It's the engine that drives the supply chain, ensuring everything runs smoothly and efficiently. So, while the two terms are often used interchangeably, it's important to understand the subtle but significant differences between them. One thing's for sure though, both logistics and supply chain management are essential for businesses to thrive in today's globalized world. Now let's talk about how all these different logistics activities come together. Imagine a giant puzzle, with each piece representing a different aspect of the process. That's where logistics systems and networks come in. A logistics system is a framework for managing and controlling the flow of goods and information within a company. It involves coordinating different activities like transportation, warehousing, and inventory management to ensure everything runs smoothly. These systems can be simple or complex, depending on the size and scope of the business, but the goal is always the same: to optimize efficiency, reduce costs, and improve customer satisfaction. Logistics networks, on the other hand, are the interconnected groups of companies, transportation providers, and facilities that work together to move goods from origin to destination. Think of it as a giant web, with each node representing a different player in the supply chain. Designing efficient logistics systems and networks is crucial for businesses to stay competitive. It's like building a well-oiled machine, where every part works in harmony to achieve a common goal. From warehouse to doorstep, let's take a closer look at the journey of a product from the moment it leaves the factory to the moment it arrives at your doorstep. This is where the magic of logistics truly comes alive. First, procurement. It all starts with sourcing raw materials or finished goods from suppliers. This involves negotiating prices, placing orders, and ensuring timely delivery. Next, warehousing. Once the goods arrive, they're stored in warehouses until they're needed. This involves managing inventory levels, optimizing storage space, and keeping everything safe and secure. Then, order processing. When a customer places an order, the logistics team springs into action. This involves picking the right products from the warehouse, packing them securely, and preparing them for shipment. After that, transportation. The goods are then loaded onto trucks, trains, ships, or planes, and transported to their destination. This requires careful planning and coordination to ensure timely and cost-effective delivery. Finally, delivery. The goods arrive at their destination, whether it's a retail store or a customer's front door. This involves managing delivery schedules, tracking shipments, and ensuring customer satisfaction. Each step in this journey requires meticulous planning, coordination, and execution. It's a testament to the power of logistics and the crucial role it plays in our everyday lives. Let's zoom in on 3 key players in the logistics game: transportation, warehousing, and inventory management. These 3 are like the musketeers of logistics, all for one and one for all. Transportation is the lifeblood of logistics, responsible for moving goods from point A to point B. Whether it's by land, sea, or air, efficient transportation is crucial for timely delivery and cost optimization. Companies must carefully consider factors like distance, cost, speed, and reliability when choosing transportation modes. Warehousing provides a temporary home for goods before they reach their final destination. It's all about finding the right balance between having enough inventory on hand to meet demand without incurring excessive storage costs. Efficient warehouse management involves optimizing space utilization, streamlining processes, and ensuring the safety and security of goods. Inventory management is the art of striking a delicate balance. Having too much inventory ties up capital and risks obsolescence, while having too little leads to stockouts and unhappy customers. Effective inventory management involves forecasting demand, setting optimal stock levels, and implementing systems to track inventory movement. Now let's face it, the world of logistics isn't always smooth sailing. Unexpected events like natural disasters, political instability, or even a global pandemic can throw a wrench in the works, disrupting supply chains and causing major headaches for businesses. That's why managing supply chain risks is paramount. It's all about identifying potential vulnerabilities, assessing their potential impact, and developing strategies to mitigate those risks. This could involve diversifying suppliers, building in redundancies, or having contingency plans in place. Companies need to be proactive, not reactive, when it comes to risk management. By anticipating potential disruptions and having plans in place to address them, businesses can minimize the impact of unforeseen events and ensure the continued flow of goods. Hold on to your hats, folks, because the world of logistics is getting a technological makeover. From artificial intelligence to blockchain, cutting-edge technologies are transforming the way goods are moved and managed, making it smarter, faster, and more efficient than ever before. One of the biggest game changers is data analytics. By harnessing the power of big data, companies can gain real-time insights into their supply chains, identify bottlenecks, optimize routes, and make more informed decisions. Artificial intelligence is also making its mark on logistics, automating tasks, improving forecasting accuracy, and even powering self-driving trucks. Imagine a world where deliveries are made around the clock by autonomous vehicles, navigating traffic and optimizing routes with pinpoint precision. The future is closer than you think. Other technologies like blockchain, cloud computing, and the Internet of Things are also revolutionizing logistics, improving transparency, traceability, and security throughout the supply chain. As the world becomes increasingly aware of the environmental impact of our actions, sustainability is no longer a buzzword, it's a necessity. And the logistics industry, with its reliance on transportation and energy consumption, has a crucial role to play in reducing its carbon footprint. Green logistics is all about minimizing the environmental impact of logistics operations without compromising efficiency or profitability. This can involve reducing fuel consumption, optimizing routes, using alternative fuels, and implementing eco-friendly packaging solutions. Companies are increasingly adopting sustainable practices, not just because it's the right thing to do, but also because it makes good business sense. Consumers are demanding eco-friendly products and services, and companies that prioritize sustainability are gaining a competitive edge. In the world of logistics, you can't improve what you don't measure. That's why performance measurement is crucial for identifying areas for improvement and ensuring that logistics operations are running as efficiently as possible. Key performance indicators like on-time delivery rates, order accuracy, inventory turnover, and transportation costs provide valuable insights into the health of logistics operations. By tracking these metrics, companies can identify bottlenecks, measure progress, and make data-driven decisions to optimize their supply chains. But it's not enough to simply measure performance. Continuous improvement should be at the heart of every logistics operation. By constantly seeking ways to streamline processes, reduce waste, and enhance efficiency, companies can stay ahead of the curve and ensure their logistics operations are firing on all cylinders. In today's fast-paced business environment, effective logistics management is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. Companies need strong leaders who understand the complexities of global supply chains and can develop innovative solutions to navigate the challenges of today and tomorrow. Logistics leaders need to be strategic thinkers, able to see the big picture and align logistics operations with overall business goals. They need to be adaptable and resilient, capable of making quick decisions in the face of uncertainty and disruption. But most importantly, they need to be passionate about logistics and its power to connect the world and drive economic growth. The future of logistics is bright, and it's up to the next generation of leaders to shape its trajectory and ensure its continued success.